Today's affirmations are centered on releasing negative self-talk and building daily positive beliefs. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am positive. I can speak kindly to myself. I think good thoughts. People hear my positivity. Every day I talk nicer. Today I believe in myself. I am encouraging. I replace negativity instantly. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.